Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming what triggers the sleep mode. Open the TV menu, go straight to sleep timer and eco settings and turn them off. This removes the most common automatic triggers. Next, disconnect HDMI CEC devices or disable CEC in settings because connected gear often sends standby signals. Finally, check for a firmware update and note your model number. Updates can fix known standby bugs, and having the exact model lets you find targeted fixes if needed. Once done with the basics, isolate the sleep source by removing all external inputs and using only onboard apps. This shows whether the TV itself is initiating sleep. Use the TV's original remote exclusively. Third-party remotes and universal remotes can send sleep commands you won't see. If the TV stays awake, add devices back one at a time to find the offender. Make sure to monitor the TV for 24 to 48 hours so you can detect intermittent patterns and confirm. To finish, apply the permanent fix based on what you discovered. If a connected device caused sleep, disable HDMI CC or set that device to no control so it can't send standby. If settings or firmware remain unstable, perform a factory reset as a last resort. Make sure you back up app logins and preferences first because reset erases them. If the issue persists after these steps, document exactly what you tried and contact manufacturer support with your model, firmware, and timeline so they can provide a definitive fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.